Hello YouTube, welcome to this video tutorial. I'll be teaching how to apply for the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card and get approved instantly. So go to the link in this video and then click on apply now and ensure you have your SOC 5 connected. Next, you enter your legal name as it is on your ID card. Next, you enter your residential address as it is on your ID card. Next, choose the options as above and click continue. Next, you add your email address. You need to create a new email address and you add your phone number. You can use a VoIP phone number. Next, what's your employment status? You choose employed and click continue. So next, you set your annual income to $65,000 and set your monthly rent to $1,050 and you click continue. Next, you choose the options as above and click continue. Enter your date of birth, your SSN, confirm your SSN and click continue. You review the application terms and then submit the application. So your application will be successfully submitted. Now you go to the email you used to sign up and click on sign in to upload documents. Enter the correct details and click sign in. Upload your ID, the front and back images and submit the documents. Alright, once the documents are submitted successfully, you'll receive a physical card on the address on file within 5 to 7 days. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss my next video. Finally, this is a very important message. If you're interested in private tutorials, private PDFs, private ebooks on different methods, kindly join the membership on my channel and you have unlimited access to all of the private and exclusive content I'll be posting, okay?